Hey guys, how are you all? Red angle. Welcome back. How are you doing? Hey guys, how are you all? Lovely. So we will be just waiting for a few more to join, and then we start making this gorgeous garlic and lentil soup. Yeah. Hours night, please. Check. Hi guys, how's everyone doing today? Good morning. We're just waiting for a few more people to join. Welcome to Vikilicious by Imami Life. Hope you guys had a good week. Hope you guys are staying safe, looking after yourself, building immunity, eating well. Food is your medicine. So we shall be beginning in a few minutes, and you must have got today's recipe ingredients. Let me say wave, 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 wave. Hi guys. Hello, hello. Hi Shivangi, how are you? Hi Varsha. All good guys. Hi Notes on the Journey, how you doing? Hi Pranav. Pranay Nagpal, how you doing? Hi Varsha. Just waiting for a few of you to join in. And in about a couple of minutes we shall start. So a couple of more minutes guys, a couple of more minutes. Is anyone cooking today? Is anyone cooking? No, not anyone cooking. Okay. Is anyone cooking today is one question. Is anyone cooking with me? Another question. So who's doing what? Who's cooking with me today? Okay guys, welcome to Imami Life, Vikilicious. Today's recipe is a garlic lentil soup or garlicky lentil soup. Okay. Now you could eat it as a soup. You could eat it as a dal. You want to add some rice, it becomes a gorgeous khichdi. And the best part about this is got really less ingredients. So fewer ingredients, but each ingredient is packed with nutritional benefits for you. And in today's day and age, we have to look after ourselves. What we eat, how we eating, how much we are eating, when we are eating what. That is a main thing. So I know, I used to regularly visit a gym, but I do work out. And my trainer used to tell me, the journey of wellness is 70% food and 30% physical fitness, which is really true. Okay. So let's start off cooking. Now I have soaked masoor and matki or moth lentils or moth bean. Okay. Now both these have got some really special. Let me start cooking and while we talk, okay? So I've made a nice vegetable stock here. You know, because I was peeling some onions, I had some carrots, I had some celery. So I made like a really nice sauce. And in this, I also simmered some shiitake mushrooms, okay? Now shiitake mushrooms are the only vegetarian or plant protein which has B12, very high in B12, which is good for you. So also these shiitake mushrooms are dry and you have to put them in water to hydrate them, and when you hydrate them they give a beautiful flavor. So I'm going to be slicing this and adding it later on to my soup. Now like last time, I'm going to start by cooking in water and then I'm going to be adding oil. So I'm going to add a little bit of stock which I have. It's a really beautiful, clear, very sexy, very tasty stock here. Now in this water, I'm adding some bay leaves, tej pata, and I've got some chopped onions here, about one medium size, or two small, or one medium size, whatever you prefer. So onions gone in. So I'm going to put one clove of garlic. So I'm going to just crush this garlic. Now garlic, another wonder food, helps you reduce your cholesterol. Okay, it helps you against infections. It's a blood purifier. So you have to crush the garlic for all its benefit to come. So crush garlic inside. So we've got bay leaf, we've got onions, and we've got garlic, and we've got water. Sorry, not water. We've got stock. So we're going to move this, okay? Now, literally the water is softening the onions, okay? It's softening the onions, it's softening the garlic, and yet now we haven't added any oil whatsoever, okay? So I'm going to cover this. Now covering it will help to increase the temperature inside this pot, okay? If you wish, you can even pressure cooker these, but when I soak these lentils, when I soak these lentils, I like to soak them for longer, so that what happens is that you're not worried really about the cooking, because they cook really fast after that, and you have a nice combination of this red lentil or masoor and moth bean or matki, okay? Moth bolte hain usse, moth. So this is nice, beautifully soft. Okay, now you can see, I'll show you one piece. Now literally these onions are nice and soft as you would have done it in your oil, okay? So it makes sure I'm not adding any oil as yet, keep that in mind. In this, I'm going to be adding give me a green chili from the fridge, please. So I'm adding a little bit of oregano, okay? Nice flavor. I'm adding a little bit of oregano, and I'm adding mirchi ka lal, green chili. And I'm adding some super spice called turmeric, very high in curcumin, which is definitely for an immunity booster. So I'm adding like about half a teaspoon of really good haldi, which I actually got from Assam, okay? So I'm adding this. We only use a nice Himalayan pink salt here, okay? Now the water is reduced, okay? The water is gone. The garlic and the onions have become soft, and now you can hear that sizzling. Now at this time I'm going to be adding 3 ml, okay, literally 3 ml of oil. and I'm going to saute this. I've also got some green chili which I'm going to be adding here. Green chilies are good to speed up your metabolism. Okay, they even also boost your immunity as well. Spices, chilies, ginger, garlic are all metabolic enhancers and immunity boosters. So we've literally got a very nice base going on here. Next, my soaked lentils in this. Now we have some vegetable stock, a gorgeous vegetable chai I call it. In case you all were not there in the last time, I'll tell you how to make a beautiful vegetable stock at home once I get this going. Now you can leave this soup chunky or as it is just like this, or you can actually even blend it, okay, whatever you like. So I'm adding about 3 to 4 times the water, 3 to times quantity of stock which I'm putting in here. Beautiful. So giving this a nice mix. Nice. And I'm just going to bring this up to a simmer. I could have pressure cooked it, but these take about 8-9 minutes to cook literally if you've soaked them enough. That's very important. So I'm going to shut this and let's talk about vegetable stock. Okay, I'm going to turn the comments off now so that we can do a little Q&A after I finish, yeah? So you can see this better. Now you can see me. So this shiitake mushroom has got a really nice meaty flavor. It adds a lot of umami, a lot of really nice flavoring to whatever you use it. Now even otherwise, if you want to cook shiitake mushrooms on their own, the ones which we get in India are most of the time dried shiitake mushrooms. So what you do is you soak them in warm water or hot water, and you have to be also careful when you get shiitake mushrooms because sometimes उसमें बहुत धूल रहती है. So you have to make sure that you first soak them in water, rinse them, wash them, throw the water. You have to do it a couple of times. After that, you put them in hot water. Okay? So, and then they start getting soft and they start leaching out their flavor. And even the stock, the water, I call it mushroom ki chai. It's called mushroom chai, which is really nice. So you can actually flavor that mushroom water with a lot of different things. Also, if you want to make a nice pasta with, this is perfect. So I'm going to slice these. So I'm going to be slicing these mushrooms, which I'm going to be actually using it much later on the top to garnish the soup. So let's put this over here. Now I'm going to be also making a little oil and water tempering for the garlic. So we're going to give a garlic ka tadka on the top. I'm thinking of cumin, but let's see, I still haven't thought of it. Now garlic is really good for you. I wake up in the morning and I eat a clove of garlic. I crush it in the mouth. Okay, it reduces all your it reduces all your bad cholesterol. It's a blood purifier and definitely an immunity booster. Now I've got this. This is a really cool small gadget to have. It's really nice. It comes in handy. Also, if you want to slice nuts, you want to slice garlic, so you can make little garlic chips if you like. To make garlic chips, okay, you have to get थोड़ी ये बड़ी वाली garlic. Then उसके बाद you just slice them on here. I've got a thin slicer. Okay, you can also do it with your hand. लेकिन so this makes these beautiful garlic chips. Now ये garlic chips को आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can season them with a little bit of salt, हल्का सा olive oil and any other flavorings you like, and you can roast it in a very low oven at about 140-150 for about 1 hour. And these get really nice and crunchy and crispy, and they are unbelievable. Now these garlic chips can be used on top of your salads or on top of your anything you eat. Actually, it's like a condiment. You can also mix it with other things and eat it as well. Yeah, it's a great condiment, guys. Also over pasta, over a pulao, it is very good. So I'm going to slice a little more, do some garlic chips for you. And here we go. So my garlic chips are ready here. My sliced mushrooms are ready here. And I'm going to be having a little gucha, a bunch of coriander on the soup as well. So putting my garnishes here, my coriander is also ready. I've got another shiitake mushroom which I'm going to do. Beautiful. So mushrooms are done. We can also add some of the mushroom. I have 2 for the garnish. We can also put the mushroom in this if we wish. Let's give this a little stir. Nice. So this is it's almost getting there. I'm going to be stirring it. And let's see what this tastes like. मेरे को अंदर से जीरा निकाल के दो, वो थोड़ा उस प्लास्टिक में छोटे में डालना. Delicious. I am going to just wait until the lentils are almost cooked. They'll literally cook in 3 to 4 minutes. Now, we as a country, we as a culture, we as a civilization or a society in India are very, very fortunate to have good produce, to have good eating habits, to have Ayurveda as our base, okay? And also as a nation, we are very progressive, okay? We always adapt to new things. We always adapt to lifestyle. We adapt to different food habits. We are all moving into a wellness revolution. We all, आजकल people don't ask me how's the recipe कैसी है आपकी. They ask me, are your lentils organic? Are these product animal tested? How old is this? How fresh is this? ये season में है, ये season में नहीं है. So we are moving into the next level of thinking of food, and that's the reason why people like us, like me, like Enmami Wellness is already up in the game, looking after you people, caring for you people, okay? The caring of a person and love for a person and for his wellness is the best gift in life, okay? So थोड़ा सा garlic डाल देते हैं. Beautiful. So this is like, so you can keep on checking it, okay? Now these lentils cook really quick. Let me get a taste. Delicious. So they're almost cooked, into which I'm adding some pink salt. That's all we eat at home. So we're adding a little bit of pink salt in this. And in about a couple of minutes, we're going to blend this soup, okay? As I mentioned to you, if you like, आप chunky रख सकते हो, no problem. But I like to blend the soup. I like my soup to be blended. Now you can add a lot of vegetables in this. You can add spinach, you can add zucchini, you can add rich gourd, turai, you can add dudi, you can add mushrooms, of course, so which we are putting anyway. Sorry. Yeah. So you can add seasonal vegetables to this. If you wish to add some protein like some meat, you can add that as well. If you want to make this into a gorgeous khichdi, you can add some brown rice into it, black rice into it. If you want to make a really cool pasta, which is called pasta con lenticchie, which means pasta with lentils, you can use small macaroni as well in this as well. So from one base, you can make some amazing things. This will make a really nice layered quinoa biryani or a nice millet ki biryani also, using this along with a lot of vegetables, because this is as good or even better than meat. So this is almost done, okay, almost done. I'm going to be blending this now. Switch this off. Now, great. So I'm going to move, okay, perfect. So उसको अभी हम blending कर देते हैं. Lovely. So it's getting a really nice body, जैसे हम कहते हैं, it's getting a very nice body. And now the last thing I have to do here is make a nice garlic and jeera ka tempering, okay? So such small, just salt, garlic, turmeric, oregano, fabulous combination, fabulous. And guess what? There's only 3 ml of oil at the moment. Can you believe that? And this is good for at least 4 people. So literally 0.9 ml per portion plus another 2 ml. Chalo. So literally like almost like 2 ml of oil per portion. How cool or how healthy, how umami is that? So nice and thick ho gaya, ye jada ho gaya. And listen, this you can make it ahead, you can cool it down. Cooling of food is very important before you put it in the fridge. So I could make a base like this, a thick base, and every time I need it from the fridge, I put one ladle of this, half a ladle of water or stock, boom, in 5 minutes I have a beautiful meal. Nice, it's looking good guys, it's looking good. Lovely. So I have a little bit of stock left here. So I have a little bit of stock left here. थोड़ा सा adjustment करेंगे हम. Okay, little bit of stock, just not too much. Lovely. So it's nice and thick. I'm going to be adding. Perfect. Now if you see all this, okay, we've got carrots in here, we've got celery in here, all in the stock. You could literally even what you could even do is actually even जो celery जो आपके stock में है, you can slice that up, okay, and you can use that into the soup as well as your garnish. Brilliant. Okay, एक और मिल गई मुझे celery. So nice. तो हमारी अच्छी garnish हो गई अभी. So we're going to add some celery and mushrooms. Now it's time to do a little tadka. A nice tempering. Beautiful. Now we're looking good guys. Now we're looking really good. Nice. If you want to add it, if you want to make it a little more creamier, no problem. Almond milk, cashew milk, coconut milk, walnut milk. And if you're okay with it, you can add even some regular milk or cream if you want to make it nice and rich. And I think this is great, right from baby food to people. This is really good even for babies and also all kinds of people, including good looking people like me. Just a joke. Okay, so this is done. Now it's time to do our tadka. So for the tadka, for a tempering, so I have some sliced garlic chips जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था. I'm going to be adding some garlic, some jeera. So we're going to toast the jeera a little bit, okay, flavor के लिए. Lovely. So once the jeera starts dancing in the pan, I'm going to be adding the garlic. So we have some garlic here. We're going to lightly toss it. Beautiful. Next, I'm going to be adding some oil. Okay, about 1 teaspoon of oil. Yeah. Lovely. So we've got a really nice tempering happening here. It's just garlic and chilies. अगर आपको चाहिए तो we can add a pinch of red chili powder. चलो आपके लिए, if you want to. Not necessary, but in case you want to give a new variation. So beautiful, really nice. And once this garlic starts dancing in the pan, tuck, 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 give it a little shake. You don't want to burn it too much. You don't want too much of a burnt garlic flavor. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to ladle my soup first here. Lovely. So I'm ladling my soup here, which is looking absolutely gorgeous. My garlic is ready. I'm going to switch it off. A little bit of water. Lovely. Beautiful. Look at that. So now, oops, let's go here now. Okay, let's zoom thoda sa. Let's go down. Perfect. So we have our, I'm getting this really nice, beautiful. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to ladle my over here. Then we have some garlic chips. Lovely garlic chips here, which I'm going to put here. Lovely. A little bit of this jeera here. Lovely. The rest of the tempering हम इसमें डालेंगे into the rest of the soup. Beautiful. चलो lunch का जुगाड़ हो गया. And then we have our lovely garnish here. Sorry, I'll just move this out, guys. I'm sorry. So then we have our shiitake mushrooms, which we can just put it right here. You can just sprinkle a few if you wish to. Lovely. लवली, मुझे लवली बोलने की बहुत याद है, अभी बहुत आदत है. ओके, सो सेलरी डाल दी हमने. ब्यूटिफुल. एंड देन अपना फेवरेट धनिया, और यू कैन यूज बेसिल, यू कैन यूज celery leaves. If you've got celery leaves, brilliant, please use them. So we're just going to add a little bit of the dhania on the top. and a little more, and then a little more. So we just take another small leaf, and here we go, guys. Lentil and garlic soup ready. Bingo, bon appetito. I'm going to be turning the comments on, and let's do a little talking session with you guys. So I'll be back in a second. I'm taking you guys there. Don't go, guys. Don't go. Here we go, guys. Oops. So what do you think of today's session? Any questions to ask? I'm more than happy to. Look how I am, God. I work too hard for y'all. What to do? Okay, guys. I'm open to questions. If you wish to join me, if you wish to ask me any questions. Varsha, hi. How are you doing? Hi, Venkat. Let's see where we have. Looks amazing, Munmun. Munmun, I thought I had a cooking partner today, Munmun. Amit Bhagchanda Chandka, thank you very much. Bansi, thank you very much. Thank you so much, guys. Any questions? Any questions to ask me? All I can say, lentils, very rich, packed with iron, In fact, moth beans are packed with copper, which helps in iron absorption and good for the brain. Okay, very important. Bansi Sumita, thank you so much for watching me. Munmun, don't worry, I'm going to catch you next week. No excuses, Munmun. Tips on weight loss recipe. यही तो बताई थी मैंने बंसी. Yeah, it's very simple. Weight loss is a journey. It doesn't happen overnight. You have to eat well. You have to eat in season. Avoid bad fats. Avoid eating carbs after 2 p.m. Include more protein in your diet and more fiber in your diet. Munmun, you can use any kind of mushrooms. I thought because I had shiitake here, and also shiitake shiitake mushroom is the only plant protein which is very high in B12. So it's really good. This was you were 98 and now I'm 60. Wow, why do you want to lose more weight? Bansi, don't lose more weight. What do you want to become, 50? Continue what you were doing. Add a little more exercise into your diet. Hi, and mommy. How are you, and mommy? Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed the session. The soup is delicious. Yeah. By the way, मेरा आज का lunch है. Leg fat. Leg fat would be lunges, leg raises. Okay, I think lunges, leg raises, and lot of walking. Leg fat will go with walking. Leg fat will do with sit-ups, with lunges. Yeah, should go. Any other questions, guys? It's been It's been an amazing session. It's been really good. I love these recipes. They are working wonders. And every Sunday, our lunches are become more conscious and more healthy because I am cooking healthy. Cancel. Sorry. What's cooking next week? Let me go to the market and check what's on next week. You'll know in a couple of days. Okay. I normally plan the menu and look at things depending upon the market, depending upon dinner recipe. Yehi bana lo soup. Ye soup bana lo. Make this soup tonight for dinner. And tag me and send me a picture. Yeah, I'm also on at Vicky the Chef. So any kind of questions you need, no problem. Lunges, sit-ups. Um, well, I walk a lot. I do lunges. I also I basically walk a lot. I walk a lot and I do lunges and I do sit-ups. Okay, with a weight, without a weight. Hi Anna, how are you? All well? Catherine Booster, I'm doing good. I'm doing really good. Hello, the extreme speed. I love these Instagram names. Okay, I love the Instagram names. They are quite. They give a very character to the person. Okay, I think you choose your character and you choose your Instagram. It's like almost like a namkaran. Okay, Instagram handles are like namkarans. Okay, when you discover your true self, that becomes your Instagram handle. Like the extreme speed, she must be or he must be a really sporty person. For dinner today, Bansi underscore Sumita underscore Parakia. Are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Why are you confused? हम हैं यहाँ पे. You don't have to be confused. Why are you confused? You don't need to be confused. I'm very good, Gina. I'm really good. How are you doing? Hi, Bridget. How are you? What is that knot and those emojis? The extreme speed. What is that? I didn't understand those emojis. I'm not a millennial. Hi, Reshi. Hi, Jemima David. How are you doing? Confused for dinner. Why are you confused for dinner? Are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Hi, Carline Brewster. How are you doing? Jemima David. Where are you from? I'm good, buddy. I'm good. Okay, Bansi, you're vegetarian. Uh, Calories I haven't counted. I think about 200 calories. You want me to check the calorie count? I can do that. I can give you a calorie count right now. Would you like a calorie count of the soup? Sure. I have all the answers for you. So I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. It's not 200 calories. It is 170 calories. Carbs only 28 grams, protein 11 grams, and 3 grams of fat. Can you believe that? 170, 28, 11, 3, if you know what I mean. Hi, Olin. Wholesome meal for the soup for starters. Wholesome meal for dinner, soup for starters for sure. Then, since she is vegetarian, Nemami, why doesn't she do like a nice like 150 grams of paneer, marinated with a little bit of garlic, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of turmeric, and a little bit of lemon juice, and simply pan fry or pan sear the paneer, and or you can just bake it in the oven for 10 minutes. You have a beautiful paneer steak, and you could eat that with any sauteed vegetables. Bansi, oh, you're from Hyderabad. I want some biryani. Hi, Levitesh. Hi, Bansi. Bansi, did you get my idea? Hi, Lazy Bears. Hi, Kamal. I'm waiting for Komal. Hi. Oh, She got scared and left. She didn't realize that she sent a message to be live. Hi, Carrie Polar. When I come to Hyderabad, I'll meet you, okay? Okay, guys, have a really good one. All the best to you. I'll see you same time on Sunday for the next few Sundays. And you take care. Bansi, let me know how was your paneer and your vegetables, and keep in touch. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Arrivederci. Ci vediamo.